Hey guys, I'm back with another twist out video, except this time it's on blown out hair, so stay tuned. After washing my hair, I applied the Eden Body Works Coconut Leave-In Conditioner. This was my first time trying this product and I wasn't a big fan of it. I used the grapeseed oil for a heat protectant before I blow dry my hair. As always, I work in 4 sections. I apply a small amount of grapeseed oil to each section before I blow dry. For this style, I'm using a paddle brush to blow dry my hair. I typically use a blow dryer with an attachment, but my attachment broke. I blow dried my hair on medium heat. I try not to ever use high heat in fear of heat damage. Blow drying with the paddle brush definitely took longer than blow drying with an attachment. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you usually blow dry with the paddle brush or with an attachment on your blow dryer? Had to speed things up for you guys. Didn't want you to sit there and watch me blow dry my whole head. Similarly to when I style my hair, I blow dry my hair in sections. I take small parts of my hair to blow dry and clip the rest of them out of my way. Finally, I'm all done, and my arms are killing me. Now it's time to twist my hair. I use my handy dandy, His Main Glory Shea Butter Leave-In, my go-to. I'm going for a chunkier twist out, so I'll be twisting my hair in larger sections. Although you want a good amount of shea butter to hold your twist, be careful not to oversaturate your hair because you don't want it to start reverting. I don't know what I was looking at. I'm on the last section of hair and still following the same process, taking a chunk of hair and applying the shea butter leave-in. going to apply the Wild Growth Hair Oil to my scalp. Blow drying sometimes makes my scalp dry and itchy, so to prevent that, I always add a little bit of oil. I also use Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel to lay down my edges. Alright, it's the next morning and time to take down these twists. First and foremost, make sure your hands are properly oiled before taking down any twists or braids from your hair. I coat my hands and fingers with oil and then also rub oil on my twists to make sure I reduce frizz. I could have probably kept these twists in a little longer and wore them as an updo. What do you think? Unraveling these twists was super easy and super quick because my hair was blown out. So I literally started at the root and just separated my twists. If your hands start to feel dry midway through, make sure to add more oil to reduce frizz. Now it's time to separate your curls. Feel where your hair naturally wants to separate and pull there. If you force your curls to separate, you may cause frizz. Separating my curls was just as easy as separating my twist. Since my hair is blown out, it's very easy to feel where my curls naturally want to separate. And now for the star of the show, my pick. Time to fluff out those curls. I use the blue pick to mainly fluff out my roots, and I'll go back in with my orange comb to fluff out my actual curls. I use the orange one because it's a bit wider and I don't want to disrupt my curls too much. I pinned my hair back on one side, and then I added a decorative clip for a special touch. And that's it. I loved how this hairstyle came out. My hair was so moisturized and soft. Although blow drying my hair isn't my favorite, this is definitely going to be one of my go-to styles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.